How to turn off private browsing on iPhone in Safari and Wave browser. Ever wondered how to disable private browsing on your iPhone? Whether you're managing privacy settings or need unrestricted browsing, this guide has you covered. In just minutes, you'll master turning off private browsing in both Safari and Wave browser. Let's dive in. Safari's private browsing mode keeps your activities hidden, but turning it off is quick and easy. Open Safari on your iPhone. Tap the Tabs button, resembling two overlapping squares, located at the bottom right of your screen. Switch from Private to any regular tab group like One Tab or Start Page. And that's it. Private browsing is off in Safari. For Wave browser users, the steps are straightforward too. Launch the Wave browser app on your iPhone. Tap on the Tabs button, resembling a square, located at the bottom right of your screen. Look for the Incognito mode icon on the top of your screen. Select the Tabs button next to it, resembling a square, to switch back to normal browsing mode. Now, your Wave browser will revert to normal browsing mode. If private browsing persists, restart your app or double-check for any updates in the App Store. Ensuring your iPhone and browsers are up to date will help avoid any glitches that may prevent changes. Now that you've mastered turning off private browsing in Safari and Wave browser, explore your iPhone like a pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, subscribe, and share to help others take control of their privacy settings. Hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials and tips. See you next time.